This is question number 11 in the November 2014 calculator paper. So let's have a look at the question. The first thing we could see is there's a star next to the question number, which means there's marks for quality of written communication. So at the end, we need to write a sentence to describe our answer. Let's read the question. Safia is organizing a conference. People at the conference will sit at circular tables. Here's a table in the shape of a circle. Each table has a diameter of 140 centimeters, and they've shown this in the diagram as well. Each person needs around 60 centimeters around the conference table. So each person will need that sort of space, 60 centimeters, to sit around the conference table. There are 12 of these tables in the conference room. A total of 90 people will be at the conference. Are there enough tables in the conference room? So the question wants us to know, to determine whether there are enough tables. So at the end, we need to say, yes, there are enough tables, or no, there are not enough tables for these 90 people. So we need to use the information that they have. And this question deals with circles. It's the distance around the circle that we're interested in. In other words, the circumference of the circle. And you should know the formula for the circumference of the circle. Remember, circumference is cherry pies are delicious. Apple pies are 2 for area. So C is equal to pi times diameter. And from the question, we know that the diameter of the circle is 140 centimeters. So the total distance all around the table is going to be pi times 140. Now, pi times 140, if you get your calculator and you use it to work that out, shift and then the pi button at the bottom, times 140, that's the SD button, and that's 439.82. So I'm going to use that, 439.82. And that's centimeters, the distance all the way around the conference table. Now, if we think about what the question is asking us, or what the question is asking us to do in this particular situation, right, we need to think about how many people are going to fit around the table. Each person needs about 60 centimeters. So the number of people around a table is going to be the circumference of the table, 439.82, divided by 60, if they each need 60 centimeters. Okay, let's do that. 439.82 divided by 60 equals 7.33. So that's 7.33 people. You can't have 0.33 of a person, so each table is going to fit 7 people. Okay. We're also told that there are 12 of these tables altogether, right? So for the 12 tables, each of them is going to be able to fit 7 people. So that's 12 times 7. And if you do 12 times 7, that gives you 84 people altogether. So the 12 tables are going to be able to fit 84 people. A total of 94 people will be attending the conference. Are there enough tables in the conference room? Well, the tables in the conference room are only going to be able to fit 84 people, not the 90 people who are coming to the conference. So I'm going to use that to actually write my sentence at the end of the question. And my sentence is going to be effectively, no, there are not enough tables for 90 people. Okay, pretty straightforward. Let me just show you all the workings for the whole question, and here it is. Now this will get you full marks in the question. You need to make sure you show all your working, think about what they're asking you to do, and answer the question completely.